all the details. And also, thank you very much for all your comments about our very similar dresses as well, Carol. You have great taste.
As do you, Lou. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Well, Lou's quite right. It is a cold start to the day. For some of us, it's a beautiful start. This Weather Watchers pictures sent in from Fort William. We've got some sunshine here, so under clearer skies, it's obviously going to be that bit colder. In fact, in Strathallan, which is near Perth, it's -9. Glasgow Airport, -9. Ravensworth, North Yorkshire, -8. Leuchars in Fife, -7. Durham, also in Northern England, -5. All under clearer skies. But in Swanage, along the south coast of England, well, it is generally that bit milder because there's more cloud. And it's the same too across East Anglia, the Midlands, there's more cloud. And you can see from this lovely Weather Watchers picture from this morning of Norfolk, that's certainly the picture here. Now, as we go through this morning, the cloud in the south will tend to move steadily northwards. So by the time we get to the afternoon, we still are looking at a fair bit of sunshine across Scotland. But the west of Scotland and Northern Ireland, you've got some cirrus, so it'll be bright rather than sunny for you. The lion's share of the sunshine will be across Northern England today. And then you can see as we move through York, Manchester, Birmingham, down towards Cardiff and Oxford, also into Plymouth, a lot of clouds, some patchy drizzle around too. Not all of us by any extent seeing it. From Southampton to Dover, through London into Norwich, again Birmingham, we're looking at a fair bit of cloud with some patchy drizzle. And with Height, we're also looking at some snow grains, which is basically frozen drizzle, and that will be on the hills. It'll also be in the hills tonight as that cloud pushes northwards to all except northwest Scotland. Still breezy along the east coast, so cool here. But generally speaking, temperatures not quite as low tonight as the night that has just gone. But of course, these are temperatures in towns and cities. They'll be lower than that in rural areas. Now tomorrow, just looking at the isobars tells you it's not going to be particularly windy. However, as the system comes in from the Atlantic bringing some rain, note how the isobars squeeze together. So it will become windy out towards the west. So tomorrow starts off on a cloudy note. There'll be some patchy drizzle around. We will see one or two brighter breaks develop, but they will be the exception rather than the rule. And the wind strengthening, the rain coming in, temperatures roughly 3 to 7, but starting to climb across parts of the southwest. We're looking at 10 in Plymouth, 9 in St Helier. And then through the course of Tuesday into Wednesday, our weather front continues to slowly drift from the west towards the east, losing some of its energy along the way. So the band of rain will turn more patchy, and behind it we've got this tiny wee ridge, so things settling down a touch. So to put pictures onto Wednesday, here's our weather front. Again, the rain on it turning more patchy as it pushes over towards the east. Behind it, under that ridge, things settling down. There will be some sunshine around. Temperature-wise, quite a difference. 7 in Aberdeen to about 10 as we push further south. Dan and Lou.
Carol, thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow morning, and maybe should we have a phone call about what we're wearing?
I think we should, Lou.
I'll text you later, okay?
Lovely.
Sort that out.
Just
let me know.
Trouble is, for me, it's always a kind of late, last-minute decision, so I can't promise that I'll know.
Oh gosh, it's the same with me. I always think at night I should really plan what I need to wear, and it's like 3 o'clock in the morning.
I've got all mine laid out like a football kit for the next day.